the sands, where the sun never ends. That's where you learn your truest friends are your most unforgivable sins. So you raise a glass to nothing, and you do it all again.